Right here is Tommy the stunt devil. He's like Thomas the tank engine, but he has crippling depression. Let's see if Tommy can go to the trampoline. Is he okay? The heck is that? I think I see Thomas. Oh my god. Let's do it. Oh no! So close. So let's just go to the trampoline with Thomas. Thomas. Okay, Thomas. It's too zoomed up. Let's get. Let's go on this trampoline. His name is Tommy, not Thomas. Oh! Thomas! Thomas! Oh, did you see that? Thomas is so... Jeez! Tommy is so cool. Let's watch him do this. Oh my god. Where is he? Tommy, let's throw you up in the air. This perfect timing. Let's go see if he's okay. Tommy, sleep. Okay. Why is this thing so close to Thomas? Focus on it. Focus. Focus. You can see that he doesn't look so good. Oh God.